New parts day is my favorite day. This box of goodies came from Treasure Coast Miata, and after looking around on the internet, I found like the best bang for the buck for a timing belt kit and water pump kit was from Treasure Coast Miata, based out of Florida. So in this kit, we got all the goodies that it takes to do your cam seals, your water pump, and your timing belt, regular belts, all the good stuff. I also did the additional fuel filter as well. And we'll just quickly show you all of that. First, out of the treasure trove box, we have our accessory drive belts. These are Gates brand, good quality belt, Micro V. So we have a pretty good mix of OEM parts in here. So we have straight from Mazda, made in Japan. This is the valve cover gaskets in this bag right here. Then we have, well, hey, you can't ever go wrong with the decal. That's got to go in the toolbox. We have the optional fuel filter from Wix. Awesome quality, aftermarket brand, OEM quality. Have a Gates thermostat. You know, just OEM quality, aftermarket. We have, what else? We have the Mazda Genuine Parts cam seals, so those go on. We have 2 more boxes left. Let's go with this one. I haven't even opened this yet. So in here is the timing component kit from Gates. This has the timing belt, and then it also has a picture on the back. It has the tensioner springs, and then the tensioner pulley, all included in here. And then we have, last but not least, they include the water pump. So what's important about this water pump, it's a sealed package. No, it's not. So what's important about this water pump, I'll take a picture of it, this has a cast impeller. So this is not a stamped steel impeller. So this is a high quality Gates brand water pump. So I'm very excited to get this done. So you probably want to know how much this whole kit costs. With the optional fuel filter, before taxes and shipping, it was $252.33. So with shipping, to get it to my front door, $282. But go ahead and check it out. Treasure Coast Miata. Thanks.